awesome, welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have a song here from MALEEK called My Way. Very easy here. 2 chords only, no need for any capo, and we have only one strumming pattern that works through the entire song. So we will start to look at the chords now. We have first the B. I'm lazy, so I'm playing the B sus. That means 1 finger less for this chord. So the B sus chord here will be a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So that means from the bottom up, you count 5 strings up like this. And then the rest will be 4th on D string and 4th on G. I guess you could go with a standard B. In that case, you will also need to add the 4th on the B string there. I'm going without that one. That makes it a sus chord. So that's the B chord. And then we need a second and last chord, and that's the C sharp chord here. In the same way here, I'm going with the sus. You could go with the full C sharp chord, but it's the same grip here. Now you just adjust your bar chord to the 4th fret, bar there from A string and down, the same 5 strings from bottom up like this, and the rest will be 6 on D and 6 on the G string. All right, so you go back and forth with these 2 chords, the B and the C sharp. And we have a strumming pattern. Let's look at that with the B chord. So grab that B, and 1 round of the strumming will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. So sounds like this. All right, so we'll start with the down, down, up, clap, down. That's the first part. And then you have a short pause, and then comes down, clap, down. And that's it. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. That is 1 round. All right, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 Bs, and then you switch to the 2 C sharps, and you go back and forth, 2 for each and every chord. It sounds like this. And so on. And that pretty much is MALEEK's My Way. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.